In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Claude Code. Before we dive in, a quick note on context. Switching accounts in Claude Code happens inside the code workspace. So the first thing we'll do is get you into the right place. Then we'll cover what you need to know about access requirements so you're not blocked midway through. Start by heading to Claude in your browser. Going directly to the site ensures you're in the environment where Claude Code lives, and it sets you up to see the correct workspace options. If you're coming from a bookmark or a previous session, arriving on the main Claude page helps refresh your session and loads the current interface layout, which can occasionally change as new features roll out. Once you're on Claude, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Code. This is the dedicated workspace for coding features, projects, and developer tooling. Moving into the code area matters because account context for Claude Code is determined here, not in the general chat view. When you open the code workspace, you'll typically notice a project-centric layout and tool panels tailored to development tasks. That's your confirmation you're in the right spot. It's also where account-specific resources, permissions, and project access are applied, so being inside code is the prerequisite for managing which account you're operating under. If you see a prompt indicating you need to upgrade to use code, that means your current plan doesn't include access to this workspace. Claude Code features, including the ability to work within the appropriate account context, require an eligible plan. The upgrade notice is your signal that the tooling is available to you but locked behind plan requirements. This is common if you're on a free tier or an older plan that doesn't bundle code. The prompt will typically outline available options and make clear what's included. Once you're on a plan with code access, the workspace fully unlocks and you'll see the environment load without the upgrade banner. Availability can also vary by region and organization type, so if you're using Claude through a business or school, plan details may differ from personal use. That's all there is to it. Go to Claude, enter the code workspace from the left sidebar, and confirm you have the necessary plan to use it. With the code environment active and access enabled, you'll be set up to handle account context inside Claude Code confidently and without interruption.